Who is an ideal candidate for a reverse mortgage? Everyone that's retired almost. Most seniors are going to wait and look only at a reverse mortgage when things become sketchy, without taking the time to understand all the ways that a reverse mortgage can improve the financial plan for any senior. It can be very intimidating. After all, many are very comfortable having no or a very low mortgage and things are all right. They've heard bad things from other people reading the newspaper and do not really understand how a reverse mortgage could help them. I can help with that thinking. A senior homeowner as young as 55 or older that would like to remain in their home, that has worked hard, they've worked hard to own it, is an ideal candidate. The goal can be simple: age in place, maintain your independence, and not be forced to sell your home or rent to maintain your current lifestyle. And everyone loves being able to eliminate the monthly principal and interest mortgage payments and gain access to their equity in their home tax-free to help supplement retirement savings. If this sounds interesting at all, then you might consider learning about how a reverse mortgage would fit in your financial plan. A reverse mortgage may help you accomplish all of these things and provide you with a more comfortable lifestyle in retirement. To find out more about how a reverse mortgage could benefit you, let's set up a conversation sometime soon.